Economical Business Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Economical Business Insurance Canada app is built to give business owners a simple and efficient way to manage insurance on the go. Many assume it's just a document viewer, but it also allows claims submission, premium tracking, and real-time updates on policy status. On the pros side, the app provides access to all policy documents, including general liability, property, and professional coverage. Claims are easy to file. You can take photos, upload receipts, and submit directly from your phone. Premium management is straightforward, with reminders and full payment history. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress, policy updates, and renewal dates. The app supports multiple policies, making it convenient for businesses with diverse insurance needs. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or larger documents. The app also lacks advanced analytics or risk assessment tools, which may be useful for business owners looking for deeper insights into coverage and cost optimization. In conclusion, the Economical Business Insurance Canada app is a reliable and convenient option for business owners. While it doesn't provide advanced analytics, it excels at claims handling, premium tracking, and policy management, giving business owners clarity, control, and peace of mind.